Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Ling and I'm here back with another video. And we're gonna do some unboxing from Amazon. Let's get started. This is heavy. Let's see what it is. This is my workout of the day. So here's this box I got from Amazon Prime. I got my little box cutter and let's get started. But I don't remember what I bought from Amazon. No, seriously, like I bought so much crap from Amazon. So wow! Oh, you can't see it. Wow! A box within a box. Wow! Okay, this shit's heavy. You guys, I literally forgot that I bought this ring light. You know when you order so much that when your packages start coming in, you don't realize how much shit you spend.
Bruh.
Wow! Can I just say it is time to get a new ring light? I am so tired of this small one. As you can see, I just need a bigger one. Why is this so heavy though? Wow. 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 I bought this because it has okay, so it's by Newer. And then got the straps. Wow. Wow. Another box. Wow. Wow. It's as big as my face. This is it. This is it. It comes with instructions.
Nope.
But I don't like reading instructions. I like to struggle and find my way out. So that's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna set it up. Nice. Nice. I don't know where this goes. Maybe I should read the instructions. Oh wait, it's this way. Does this go somewhere? Should I read the instructions? I guess I'll read the instructions. How do I do that? Wait, how do I do it? So we're gonna get this thing and we're gonna attach it to that.
Because the instructions said so. And apparently I couldn't figure that out. You can bend this! Wow, cool!
Look at all the amazing thing you can do without reading the instruction. Now we're gonna try it. Plug it in. Where do I plug it in? Wow. Let's test it. Wow. 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 Okay. Okay. This double chin though. You guys, I think I'm gonna start making some more YouTube videos. But that is all for today. My stomach still hurts, so I probably have to go take a shit. But other than that, yeah, follow me on YouTube.